Hi guys, and welcome back to Creatures of Curiosity. Today's adventure brings us to Issaquah, Washington State. And here's our first thing to see is Dairy Gold. How cool is that? Most of us know what Dairy Gold is. We all get our milk. Dairy Gold, Dairy Gold. Pretty cool. So we're actually heading into the downtown area, so we're going to stop and pull off, and I'll get back with you. All right, here we are at the Welcome to Issaquah sign. As you can see, there's a lot of traffic. We're here at rush hour time. And there's these tracks that go everywhere. And we're going to be walking in and out on and everything. Before we start walking, I did notice this rock with this cool salmon in here. Alright, here we are. We're going to start walking the town. I have no idea about this place, really. I've read a couple things, but I have never been here. So this will be really interesting. We might weave in and out. I have no idea. If I see something, we'll see if it's anything and we'll check it out. If it isn't, then, whatever. We'll just keep going. It's a really nice day, though, I tell you that. Wow, look at that. Pillars of mindful creation. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm going to try to keep away from the traffic that's on the left, let them have their privacy, let them go home, but these apartments are renting, and I just have that thought of I bet they wish they were there because they'd already be home. But maybe not, I don't know. There's a lot of really nice houses out here, so they're probably headed to one of those. Oh my gosh, look at the kitties and the ghosts to the pumpkins. Awesome! Halloween's coming, guys. It's getting close. Got some restaurants. Oh, looks like the Eagles Club. Very cool. Alright, we'll keep on moving. Yeah, so we got here kind of late in the day. I thought it was only going to take us like an hour to 2 hours to get here, or rather an hour and a half to 2, but with traffic and construction, it actually took us close to 4 hours to get out here, so just keep that in mind if you ever do travel out this way. A lot of stuff may be closed. Some things are still open. Electric bikes will change your life. At least that's what they say. Oh, I thought there was something around this corner. I really did. Still a cool building, though. Let's see what's down here. Oh, it's really nice, but it looks just like, a neighborhood and stuff. But it looks really nice at night with those lights up there. Got this nice bistro. Pickles Playland. I don't know what it is, but it looks awesome. And a saloon parking in rear. Okay, so it seems because this is the main drag here, which is called Front Street, where all these cars are on the left. It looks like all these businesses and restaurants have parking behind these buildings. So that's really nice, convenient. Oh, wow. Look how nice. Ooh, I love all the mirror and the silver and everything. How nice. always like seeing an audiology building. They help us folks who can't hear all that well. And I do believe this is the Issaquah Public Library. Oh yeah, I see books in there. It definitely is. It's really nice. Aw, the little guy's reading. Sweet. Okay, I'm gonna go around this corner because I just feel like there's something around here. I don't know. If not, we'll just turn around, but I don't know. There seems to be a lot of traffic coming from this area. So we'll see. Man, look at those old buildings over there. That is really, really nice. Okay, before we go any further, let's look at the front of this library here. Alright, so there's a front door. And look at this. How nice is that? A little outdoor sheltered area for self-check-in. And of course to, bring your books back. Okay, so we're going to walk down here. There's a lot of pedestrian activities, so I might have to click off and wait, but I'll be right back with you. Okay, there we go. I just really, I'm not going to be able to avoid people or things all the time, but I want to try to have the respect of not showing people just in case they don't want to be seen and things like that. Dude, this is a really nice area. Like, it's the public library's parking garage here on the right, and you also have all these chairs and stuff, so you can rest in the shade and watch traffic go by. Oh my gosh, look. Okay, we're gonna cross the street right now. Look! We found something! Hatchery! Okay, I know. You're probably like, oh my gosh, a hatchery! But no, really. Like, some of these things are really, really cool. Like, they have a lot of really neat things. And even though we are here a little late, maybe we'll see something. I don't know. We're going to find out. So, a local, very, very nice man had told us a little bit of some exciting things that are in here, so I can't wait to see them. But I figured we'll look at this park first before we get into the big heavy-duty stuff. Salmon. Man, they look kind of scary sometimes. And we got Eagle. Looks like he's probably eating a salmon. And let's see. Oh, okay, so this must be the main entrance. Yeah. Unfortunately, it's not open. We're here late. It's our bad. Totally. But here it is. It's really nice. You guys did a bang-up job on your place. Okay, let's try to get our grounds here. Okay. We got that. We got the ladder. We got the office. Restrooms. Theater. Cool. Alright, so here's an informational placard. Next to the theater. Oh, and a gift shop. That would have been nice to go into. Oh man, they're closed. Oh my gosh, look. Oh! Cool. Okay, but before we go and we spend some time there, let's look around because I'll get so excited I'll forget about everything else. Okay, so we're going to walk down here. We got a little map and placard of all the fish they have. All right, we got Chinook salmon and a coho. All right, what's back in here? This is such a nice area back in here too. Oh, predators. Dun dun dun. Oh my gosh, I just heard something. Did you hear that? Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. Where'd you go? Oh man, I'm too slow. Crud. Okay, I don't see him. Alright, that's cool, because you know what? We're going to go up that way to the bridge. And we are going to see these things. Look. That's what I was hearing. But I just couldn't see. But look, can you see all those? That is so awesome. There's so many down there. Wow. Okay. Let's go to the other side. Let's go. Whoa! There you go, skidding across. Doo, 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 doo. Man, this is so cool. Can you see like their fins? It looks like little shark fins coming up on the surface. I don't know if you can see that, but it is pretty amazing. I could sit here for hours. Alright, so this is what the bridge looks like. We've got these fossils and there's some animal prints like that and that and rocks. Okay. Oh, they're native to the area maybe. Ooh, and that. Ooh. Okay, we're going to go on the sides and get some better views of the salmon. Here we go. Boom. Boom. Wow. Come on, come on. Boom! There he goes. Okay, let's see. This guy's trying to get up the wall. Oh, buddy, you need to go over there. I hope he doesn't hurt himself doing that. Getting up the wall. Okay, and here's the pumps. And I see this nice thing here. Okay, so we got the eagle, the bear, the salmon. Wow, we've got a lot of different types of animals in here. All native to the area, I'm sure. Oh, yes. Definitely familiar with the cougar and the bears, but yeah. Particular to here, that's for sure. Some more placards, and feel free to pause or screenshot if you'd like to read those, but really I'm just here to adventure. I don't want to, read to you guys and things, because for some that might be quite boring. Alright, we got the coho fry. So these are little babies. We might not be able to see them, but I'm going to try. You might just see some like flickering. See, like that. See right there on the surface, the little flickers? Let's go down further and maybe we could get a better view. I'm going to try to see if we can see them. Okay, I just see a whole bunch of flickers. Yeah, I don't think we're going to be able to see them. Alright, so here's what it looks like when they're empty. No water, no fish. And that's where we just were. I'm just giving you an overlook of the area, get you an idea and a feel of what it looks like. Since you can't be here in person, I would like to at least make it feel like you kind of are. That is the underground tanks. Let's see if they're open. Aw, wah, wah, wah. They're closed, but it's still cool. Some more placards. Ooh, solar. You know, I really love when places use solar. I think it is just wonderful. And I must say, whoever runs this park, the volunteers, the workers, you guys are amazing. This place is awesome, really. Alright, so you guys, we're headed out. But I just wanted to show some 2-year-old rainbow. These we should be able to see a little bit better. Let's see. There we go. You see them? There's a lot of them in there too. It's like, where are they going if they're only going in one direction? Alright, we're headed out. We're going to start walking around, checking out things and stuff like that. I just thought this was really nice. Alright, we're at the Issaquah Community Center. This place is amazing. It has it all. Gym, indoor pool, amazing staff, and as you can see, they have concerts in the summer. They also have some historical artifacts in here as well. It's really quite nice. We're in the parking lot behind the community center now, and this is something that I did look up before we came out. I've never seen it in real life, but it looks really cool. I want to leave it a surprise. There's the dog park on the left. Okay, so we're going to walk down this trail. I have no idea how far down it is or what, but because this is my first time seeing it, I want to surprise you guys as well, as much as I'm surprised when we come up on it. So we're just going to walk down a ways. If it goes too long, just so I don't bore you guys with walking down a trail forever, I'm going to stop the video until I think I see it. And then we'll come back with you and we're going to see it together. I'm excited. Okay, look. On the right, up ahead, in the trees. Can you see it? I don't know if you can see, but here. We're getting closer. Do you see that? Right there, on the right. You see it? Oh my gosh. He is so wonderful. His name is Jacob Two Trees. He's created by Thomas Dambo. And I just want to say thank you, Thomas. This is amazing. And thank you, Issaquah. Look at him, just watching over the woods, watching all the creatures and the hikers, holding on to these two beautiful trees. Oh, I love it. Wow, he really is huge. Hold on, let me show you. Look, big! Alright, and we're really close to him now. Wow. He's so wonderful. Alright, let's go behind him and let's see if there's anything back here or, just get a good look of him. Ha! Little troll booty. Look at that in his hair. Oh my gosh, it's like wooden dreads. I love it. Oh, he's so special. Yeah, there we go. Jacob Two Trees. So this is the trail we were walking down. And there's where we came from. Here's the official placard. And like I said, thank you, huge thank you to everybody who was a part of this and this trail, everything. This is wonderful. And Bigfoot. Alright, so we found this. The Zephyr. Oh, it's very steampunk. And we've got a time capsule. Looks like it was opened in 2023 and it will be reopened in 2050. That's exciting. Oh my gosh, look at that. Okay, so there's placards. Some of them are water damaged, so I'm not too sure, but I definitely know that this is logging equipment. And I do know from that sign on the well that a gentleman had donated these things. Whoa. This guy, he looks like he's frozen in time. Like he looks so real, doesn't he? Look, he even has tobacco in his pocket. What? Are you real, dude? Are you okay? I mean, he looks happy. Look, he's got stuff written on his book. Wow. Harvey Manning, champion of the Issaquah Alps. Okay, now we're doing this gorgeous B-roll of where we're going. Okay, so we saw this. Me and wood, I love it. And this lady, she looks mad reading that thing. Look at this. All the loggers. Wow, you can really, just by looking at it, you can really feel, that time period. And some more old buildings down a side street. I just thought they were really neat and wanted to show. We got City Hall. And we're looking at an eagle. If you can make him out, I know the picture's a little darker. Whoa. Beautiful blue door. Aha. Sister City. I am not going to butcher that name, but Morocco. And it's such a gorgeous door. Oh my gosh. So, there's the end of the train tracks. That's where they stop and end. And all the way down towards where we started. And there's a train depot. I just saw the old-timey laundromat in the background. Depot Park. This is so cool, guys. Like, you can just walk around, look at all these historical train, train parts, train cabooses, train cargo, everything. Like, this is really cool. Of course, they're not open. I got here late. But it's still really neat because you can still walk around and look. And I really appreciate when towns do that. Let's get up here and get nosy. What do you think? Okay. Museum hours. They're open Saturday, Sunday. Got some historical plaques. Tickets, passenger waiting room. And some pipe of some sort. It's historical. No, really, I don't know. Hey, dude. Just another view. And look at what I found. Alright, we got a caboose. I poked the camera in the window to see what's in there. That's pretty cool. Alright, so there's the caboose. Here's this guy. Let's see. Huh. Okay, let me step down. We'll check it out. Okay, here we are. There's no really good way of me putting my camera up there. It's pretty much blocked pretty well. But United States Army Transportation. Ooh. That's awesome. You know me. I love military stuff and trains and all that stuff. It's so interesting. Some switchbacks and signs and things. This is so cool. Wow. How neat. Alright, we're on the other side. Issaquah, Seattle, 42 miles. Okay. Some cargo. Looks like some haulers of some sort. And there's a cute little laundromat over there. Okay, we're headed back into town. Down the tracks. Okay, here we are. And I just wanted to show you because this AAA building is probably the nicest one I have seen up to date. And that Chicago pastrami really looks delicious. And then I'm going to show you down this direction. Just give you an idea of the town. And then down this direction. Just, you know, give you a good idea of what things look like around us right now. I found this really neat mural. Let's see what all's in it. See a kayaker, bicyclist, a doggy, some hops. Issaquah, 1892. Nice. Oh my goodness. I don't know about you, but I feel like I just hit the mother lode. Oh my gosh. Look at this old, beautiful Shell station. The old gas pumps with the shells. Wow. They don't make them like they used to, that's for sure. Oh, and they got concerts here too. Remember these things? Amazing. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go check out what's in the windows. Wow. It brings you back, right? Well, not me personally, but I can imagine, those times, old times. Grandpa. All right, there's those train tracks. And we were all the way down there. All right, so I just want to give a quick couple of views before we head out. We're getting close to the car, but just want you to get a feel for the place. Oh, look at what I found. Isn't that awesome? whoever had their hand in this did a bang up job. That is amazing. All right, we're just waiting here close to the light, about to cross the street. There's one last view of the train tracks. All right, guys, we're headed back to the car. And thank you so much for visiting Issaquah with me. And thank you so much for supporting me this whole time. Thank you for spending the time to watch my videos and subscribing. Just everything, really. Thank you. And, until next time, hope you guys have wonderful, wonderful days. And I'm going to leave you guys with this video. I'm going to be quiet and you can enjoy yourselves with the salmon. Bye.